Hi, and welcome back to episode 5 of the Lomdei Learning Platform video tutorial series. Today we're going to talk about the Assignments tab. So in order to see the Assignments tab, you need to click first on this button on the top left, which looks like a student and has a little cap and tassel. And when you click on that, you're going to be able to see your class name and your students listed below. If you click on the class name, that will show you the Assignments tab. How do we know this is the Assignments tab? So there is a tab on the top right corner that says Assignments. Okay, so you'll notice that there are a couple of buttons here. There's a button that says Active, one that says Planned, and one says Past, and another says All. So these are filter buttons, and they show you the different assignments that are in different phases. So the first one that you're going to see is the Active button. So this is showing you all the assignments that are currently active in your students' accounts. That means that they can go into their accounts and they can work on all these assignments. These are available for them. The next tab is the Planned tab. A planned assignment is an assignment that you've created, but you haven't activated this for your students yet. That's why it says Planned up here. Then you have the Past button, which shows you all assignments that are in the past. That means that you've either assigned a due date to these assignments or you have closed the assignments like we saw in a previous video. And then finally you have the All button, which just shows you every assignment active, planned, and past. Next thing we have is a drop down here. It's set to all subjects by default, but if you want, you can click on the little arrow and you get a drop down. And what you see is all the different subjects of the different assignments that you've created and you've assigned to your students. And you can choose which ones you want to filter out for. So if you only want to see the Mishnah assignments, you can click on the Mishnah check, and you'll see only the Mishnah assignments in front of you. The last thing you're going to see in the Assignments tab is the Create Assignment button. This button is used to create assignments, obviously, which you're going to eventually see on your Assignments tab here. Okay, thank you so much for watching episode 5 of the Lomdei video tutorial series. Stay tuned for more episodes and to learn more about the new Lomdei learning platform.